Hello, everyone. My name is Ebony Scott, and I'm a rising senior at North Carolina Central University. This summer session one, was enrolled in a course called Psychology as a Profession, and one of our final project components was to create a video introducing the portfolio that we had to create. For me, psychology was not a first option for my major. I originally chose biology as my major. Further into the labs, I quickly realized that biology was not for me. I couldn't stand cutting into animals. So psychology was the next best thing that best formulated or was close to my current curriculum. With starting my first course of general psychology, I realized that I was actually intrigued in learning about the human mind and the thought process. Later on in my career, having the opportunity to work as a state employee, being on a college campus and being exposed to the student body, I was able to form relationships with certain students and be able to mentor them in a certain path. That definitely encouraged me to continue my education in the field of psychology. Being the oldest of 9 siblings, my family definitely has a certain set of dynamics that I was eager and interested to learn about, especially from a professional perspective. My courses have shown me how every sibling, being at a different age, processes information and handles it. Being the oldest sister, you think that everybody handles everything the same way, and that's not the case. As far as my undergraduate career, I aim to graduate with at least a 3.0 GPA. I am a non-traditional transfer student, so it's kind of difficult with managing my time effectively and efficiently with having a full-time job and also being a full-time student. I hope that I am able to find an internship that is able to accommodate my work hours. Maybe something that will work with me on the weekends. I feel like an internship will definitely give me more insight into knowing for sure if this is what I want my psychology degree to pursue me into the future. I do look to diversify my resume by going to graduate school for my MBA and my MIS as a joint degree. I just don't want to limit myself as to the positions that I can apply for. I do still want to be able to serve the student body in the adolescent age versus students that are into their senior year of their college career. This course has definitely taught me a lot. One of the most things that I did find intriguing were the discussion boards. The discussion boards definitely were thought-provoking and definitely required us to do the reading along with the final project. Gave me an opportunity to communicate with my other students online and just be able to see the different perspectives or the ways that I can view some of the scenarios that we had to talk about in our discussion. This course has also made me take a new look at a portfolio that I thought I was prepared for. The course offered self-assessments that we had to take, which definitely reopened my eyes to areas that I thought I was strong and the areas that I actually am weak. I am very strong on a social scale when it comes to only discussing things that I'm knowledgeable of. I get very uncomfortable in talking to people I'm not familiar with or situations that I'm not very knowledgeable of. I can improve my time management skills, but I do have high anxiety when it comes to testing. This is something that I am and was already aware of. The self-assessment also showed me ways that I can manage my stress and my anxiety, and also ways to better help me produce a more conducive work environment so that I'm able to focus on my coursework or any goal that I have set for myself. This summer session one has definitely been a challenge for me, but it was definitely beneficial. All of the information I learned will help me in my future career and endeavors. I hope the class has enjoyed my video. Maybe I'll have some of you in my next class.